Module 1. This topic will be the Washington State Liquor Control Board MAST program. Information to be covered in this unit. Number 1. The enrollment agreement. Number 2. Who is required to have a MAST permit? Number 3. Difference between a Class 12 and a Class 13 permit. Number 4. How to upgrade a Class 13 permit to a Class 12 permit. Number 5. How to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed permit. Number 6. It is illegal to serve alcohol without a permit. Number 7. Your permit may be available for inspection. Number 8. Seminar objectives. Hi, my name's Len Riggs, and I'll be the host of this seminar for you today. A little bit about my background. I have been in the restaurant/hospitality business for what seems like forever in one vein or another. In fact, I wrote this program from the eyes of what you as a server or a bartender or an owner as a manager goes through. Hey, you two, how are you tonight?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing well, thank you. Got some ID?
Yeah.
The fact that it's a very tough business, and the fact that alcohol is a big part of our business. The Washington State Liquor Control Board mandatory alcohol server training program is in response to the fact that alcohol is the nation's #1 drug problem. The state of Washington requires that all managers, bartenders, servers, and all persons who serve alcohol in on-premise licensed locations attend a state-certified program. Only those that are certified by the state of Washington may conduct a MAST, which stands for Mandatory Alcohol Server Training Seminar. That includes the provider and instructor, either classroom or via internet. The seminar you are taking part of does not represent all legal issues concerning liquor laws in Washington State. For any questions that you may have concerning additional laws not covered in the seminar, please contact the Washington State Liquor Control Board at that phone number below. By taking part in this seminar, you agree to not to consume alcohol or to be under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicants while taking part of this course. To satisfy the seminar's requirements, you must attend and be present for the duration of the seminar. At the conclusion of the seminar, an exam will be given. To pass the exam, a score of 85% must be achieved. You may not refer to any of your notes or discuss any information with others. Upon passing the exam, you will be able to print out a certificate of completion. Within 3 days, your Class 12 or Class 13 service permit will be sent to you to the address that you put on your application form. Seminar objectives. Here's what we're going to get accomplished during this course. This seminar is to help you understand the laws regarding alcohol service, to help you recognize problems before they happen, making certain that minors do not frequent. Let me explain frequenting. That means anyone under the age of 21, either be in an establishment or an area of the establishment that is licensed for 21 years of age or older. Persons under the age of 21 who are in a restricted area having a glass of water might as well be served up an adult libation. It's going to be about the same kind of deal for you. Making certain that minors do not consume alcohol, to help you recognize persons who are intoxicated, to help you not let persons become intoxicated, how to deal with intoxicated persons, conduct of guests and employees, alcohol and how it affects the drinker, alcohol and drugs do not mix, and always have fun while working. Mandatory alcohol service training. This is the difference between the Class 12 and Class 13 permits. Number 1. Class 13 permits can be held by any person who is 18 years of age or older and who has completed a Washington State certified program. Class 13 permit holders may not perform the duties of a bartender. Number 2. Class 12 permits are for servers, bartenders, and employees, which include those who pour wine at grocery stores who have the proper endorsement, who are at least 21 years of age, who sell, pour from a tap or bottle, or mix drinks that contain alcohol, or who manage servers. A Class 12 permit holder must be on site all times alcohol is served. Number 3. To receive a Class 12 or Class 13 alcohol server permit, a state-certified program must be attended and an exam taken via classroom or internet with a passing grade received. You must obtain a permit within 60 days of your first employment as a server or manager. Although those who pour at tastings in grocery stores do not have the 60 days from the initial date of hire, they must have a Class 12 permit at the time of tasting. If a holder of a Class 13 permit wishes to upgrade to a Class 12 permit, they must be 21 years of age or older and have attended a program that is Class 12 certified. You can do this by contacting the provider that gave the seminar and exam. A Class 13 permit holder may temporarily do the duties of a Class 12 permit as long as they are 21 years of age. They may not do the duties for more than 30 consecutive days. Lost, stolen, or destroyed permits may be replaced by contacting the provider who gave the seminar and exam or by contacting the MAST program, that telephone number. It is illegal for anyone to serve or sell alcohol at an on-premise licensed location without a Class 12 or Class 13 permit. either by failure to attend a seminar or by having their permit denied, revoked, or suspended. If you are 6 months or more behind on your child support payments, your permit might be voided by the Washington State Liquor Control Board upon the order of the DSHS. Once a seminar has been attended and the exam passed, the proper permit will be issued within 30 days of the class date. Number 8, the trainer/provider will inform the LCB the issuance of your permit within 30 days. Permit is the property of the permit holder. Make a copy for your employer. You must have your permit and identification with you while working. It must be available for inspection by the liquor enforcement officer or law enforcement officer. The permits are valid for 5 years. Once a permit has expired, you must retake a certified seminar and pass the exam. Your permit may be used for multiple establishments.